Let's chat. One thing I know that every woman that I've ever met that owns a business, the one big desire they have is to see their business grow and thrive. AKA, they want to make sales, right? We all love to see a return on the investment of the hard work that we put in or the passion that we put in to whatever the business is that we've decided to grow. You want sales, but you don't know how to get to the sales. The problem and the barrier is that you don't have a clear sales process. So the importance of having a sales process is that it brings about sales, but also it brings clarity, it brings about confidence, it brings about ease, and you can actually see the results and the return come to you in the form of when someone buys our product, right, or service. A lot of times, the first thing that we want to run to is marketing and social media and let me spend money and all these things. You have to own the fact that you have to build a sales process in your business so that you can show up and sell from a place of confidence, ease, and grace. Get after it.